DP article homework 2. Okay, first section says, look at the drawings below and decide if they represent masculine or feminine words. Then label the item in the space provided. Do not forget to use the appropriate indefinite article, un or una. So here we have a picture of a teacher. This person said profesor. If you put maestro, that would be perfectly fine. And it is a male person, so therefore you're going to say un and not una. Here we have a picture of a book, libro. So you have to figure out, is that going to be un or una? Here we have a folder, carpeta, un or uno. Computer, pencil, notebook, and pen. You should have all of those on your notes page. Part B says, now look at the drawings below and describe each person. Make sure to use all the words from the word bank. Don't forget to use the correct definite article, el or la, to make the adjectives agree with the nouns. So here we have a picture of a student who is, it looks like they're studying, they're working. So this person said, la estudiante es trabajadora. The student, the girl student, is hardworking. So here you see a boy, maybe he's serious, maybe he's studious, maybe, you can come up with many, many things that these people are. This one right here, I can't quite see what he's doing. It looks like he's either playing or working on something. Remember, we always have this, this little guy to help us zoom in. It doesn't really help me. It looks like he's working, so I'm going to say that he's hardworking or something else. This one looks like she is saying no to all these people who are hanging out, so she is not sociable. Over here, these people are hanging out, so they must be sociable. This is a teacher. She is thinking. She might have a good idea, so maybe she is teaching. And then this one right here, the guy looks really disorganized. He doesn't have a whole lot of question marks around him. So anyway, figure out what those are, and then you will be able to use these words up here and follow the model. On page 2, you need to fill in this chart with the singular, plural, definite, and indefinite forms of the words. So for example, la silla, singular, la silla, plural, las sillas. Singular for indefinite is una silla, plural, unas sillas. So follow that and figure out what's missing. Let me put that guy back up there. And then on the bottom, it says, now fill in each sentence below with the words from the chart. So Pablo, necesitas, Pablo, do you need blank from the United States? Here it is. So looking at all of these words in here, which one would fit? And then Marta, do you have blank? What time is it? Wonder what that is. This one says there is blank Macintosh. That's a brand of computer in the classroom. Number 4 says blank is in the classroom. Ella enseña la clase de tecnología. You should be able to figure that one out. Necesito blank buena. Tengo muchos libros. I have a lot of books. So what would this person need? So that should help you figure it out.